Hey guys, Jacob here with ZZ Diesel. Got a product spotlight that's a new product for us, for you guys to purchase on zzdiesel.com, or you can come in and purchase it at our facility. It's our Schaeffer oil change kits for the Cummins, Powerstroke, and Duramax guys. These are going to have the exact quantity of oil needed, as well as an OE filter for you guys, with options to select additional fuel filters or anything you might need at that time. The nice thing about these kits is they're ready to go. The kit that I have sitting up here on the table today is actually for the 6.7 liter Powerstroke model. This kit is considered our extreme duty. It is the 5W40 that a lot of you guys run. You can also run 10W30. We have that kit available for the 6.7 liters. One thing I want to note about this kit specifically though, you will notice that the quart bottle has a little bit of a different label on it than the gallon jugs. It's just a labeling issue. It's no different oil or anything like that. It just is a different label. One thing about us and Schaeffer's is we've had a partnership with them for many years. We've sold their products for over 8 years in our facility. We've had extremely good luck with them. The company is family owned. They've been around for over 180 years, and they started with wagon wheel grease is actually how the company started. I am also a local sales rep for Schaeffer Oil. So if you guys ever have any additional questions, you can contact me directly. We have noticed one thing about Schaeffer since we switched over our facility to them years ago. A lot of engines run a lot quieter. They offer things that a lot of companies don't, like tech support that you can get direct at Schaeffer's themselves or through me as a sales rep, so either of us can take care of you. And some guys even see a fuel mileage increase. We got customers running their differential fluids, their transmission fluids, and their engine oils, and actually are seeing a fuel mileage increase. So we highly recommend Schaeffer's. That's why we converted our facility to it. We sell it. We've had great success with it, and you guys will really like it for your truck. We sell more than just oil. There's also greases, fuel additives, and everything that you can imagine that involves a lubricant for your vehicle. You can find these kits right on our website, zzdiesel.com. And you can give us a call if you have any questions or you don't see a Schaeffer product that you would like to purchase. Call us at 800-749-0688. Talk to any of us, and we can get that added to our product line so it's available for you guys.